Hey, hi friends. So, if you recently gave NEET 2020 and continue struggling what to choose between homeopathy, Ayurveda, dental, and veterinary, then you are at the right place. So, let's get started the video. So, first full form of these courses. So, BDS stand for Bachelor of Dental Surgery, BHMS stand for Bachelor of Homeopathy Medicine and Surgery, BAMS stand for Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, and BVSC stand for Bachelor of Veterinary Science. Now, duration of these courses for BDS is 5 year, 4 year for academic education and 1 year for internship. For BHMS, it's 5.5 year which include 4.5 year of study followed by 1 year of internship. For BAMS, it's 5.5 year duration which include 4.5 years of study followed by 1 year of internship, and for BVSC it's 5.5 year which include 5 year of academic plus 6 month of internship. And eligibility of these courses, the minimum qualification is 12th in physics, chemistry and biology with minimum 50 to 60 percentage. Now, fees of these courses are: for BDS is 15,000 to 6 lakh per annum, for BHMS it's 20,000 to 3 lakh per annum, for BAMS it's 20,000 to 3 lakh per annum, for BVSC it's 5,000 to 25,000 per annum. Now let's see government jobs after these courses. After BDS, you can become territorial officer in Indian Army, in Railways, join the Indian Navy or Indian Air Force as a dental officer, state government job as dental surgeon. After BHMS, you can become pharmacist at government homeopathy dispensary and hospital, teaching in government college and homeopathy institute. After doing BHMS and become a medical officer, and after doing BAMS, you can become assistant medical officer, pharmacist at government homeopathy dispensary, pharmacist at government hospital, teaching in government college. And after BBSC, you can get job in government animal husbandry department, government hospital, poultry farms, race clubs, sheep and rabbit farms, stud farms, wildlife sanctuary and zoological parks. Now let's talk about the salary you get paid after doing these courses. For BDS, it's 15,000 to 30,000 per month depending upon the type of job. After pursuing MD, you usually make 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. After BHMS, it's approx 1,80,000 per annum and more after MD. After doing BAMS, you can earn up to rupees 20,000 to rupees 50,000 per month at the beginning of your career. After post-graduation and practicing Ayurvedic medicine, you can expect much better salary. After BBSC, you can get up to rupees 10,000 to 80,000 INR per month depending upon your expertise and experience. That's it for this video. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this and I wish you a luck in whatever you do and all the very best. And if you have any question regarding this, then comment below or you can directly DM me on my Instagram.